Where is it? Okay, so let's continue, Miranda. So we often assume that people have similar personalities to their best friends, but the surprising results of recent research indicate. Okay, so the answer for this is surprising. Okay, can you continue reading? Surprising results.
Surprising
Mm-hmm.
results
Uh-huh.
of the recent research indicate this may not always be true. It seems that in friendship, unlike in many romance,
Okay, so romance. What? Okay, what suffix do we need to put in the end of this word? Roman to transform it to character adjectives. Roman.
romances,
Is it okay? Look at the screen, Miranda. Roman.
romantic,
Okay. So it seems that in friendship, unlike in many romantic relationships, okay, continue reading. So romantic, okay. Can you start from here? It seems.
it seems that in friendship, like in many romantic relationship, opposites often attract.
For example,
For example, an autistic person can provide a balance if the other is not. In the same way, someone who is shy can be benefit from the popular one,
popular, but it,
from the
okay.
unpopular of their sociable best friend by being introduced to people they would never have the confidently.
Huh?
The confident,
Confidence.
confident to begin a conversation with their own. In addition, as a close friendship develops, two may gradually become much more likely
Alike.
for
Alike.
alike, alike, for instance, highly adventurous.
Okay, adventure.
Adventurous.
Yes.
Adventurous individual might listen to what rather more cautionable.
Is it cautionable?
I don't know.
Cautious. Cautious.
So cautious.
Uh-huh.
Best
Cautious.
best friend says take fewer risks while encouraging the friend to worry less and try new things. So
Taking.
taking each other advice and having one another can build a relationship that is cooperative, not competitive.
Yes, competitive.
Competitive.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Miranda. I noticed that you answered some from here. Okay, you answered it wrong. Okay, so can you read it again with the right answer? With the
Surprising.
right word and the right suffix. Okay. With the
Romantic.
mm-hmm.
Por
Relationships.
relationship. Opposites.
Mm-hmm.
When?
Okay, so we are now in romantic relationships. Here.
Romantic. Romantic relationships.
Mm-hmm. Opposite.
Opposite.
Often.
Often attract.
For example,
For example,
an
an optimistic person can provide a balance if the other is not. In the same way, someone who is shy can benefit from the popularity
of
their sociable best friend
by being
introduced to people they would never have the confidence to begin a conversation with on their own. In addition, a close friendship develops. Two people may gradually become much more alike. For instance, a highly adventurous individual might listen to what a rather more cautious best friend says and take fewer risks, while in turn encouraging the friend to worry less and try new things.
So
taking each other advice and helping one another can build a relationship that is cooperative, not competitive.
Competitive.
Yes,
competitive. All right, well done. Okay, so Miranda, let's go back to the previous question. From the previous question. Okay, so we are now in... Okay, how many gaps are there in the text?
There are 8 gaps in the text.
Okay, is it 8?
No, it's 9 gaps in the text, but the first gap, the 0 gap, is an example.
Yeah, so okay, so typically there are 10 gaps. There are 10 gaps. Okay, so question number 2. What do you have to put in each of them? What do you have to put in each of them? Like this, what you have to put?
I have to put an adjective.
Correct form.
I have to put a correct form of the words.
Yes, very good.
In the graphs.
Yes. We have to put the correct form of word given in capital letters. Okay, so this is the words written in capital letter. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
Okay, so question number 3. Does this task mainly test grammar or vocabulary? This task. Does this task mainly focus on grammar or vocabulary? What do you think?
I think it's focused on grammar.
Okay, why do you think it is focused on grammar and not vocabulary?
Because I think it's grammar.
Is it not both?
Not both.
But we are... Okay, so about question number 2, what do you have to put in each one of them? Okay, so we have to put the correct form of word. Word means it's vocabulary. So I think we are just focusing with both grammar and vocabulary. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Miranda? So,
Yes.
okay. So, the answer for number 3 is both grammar and vocabulary. Okay, how about number 7? Look at the example 0. Answer these questions, then do the exam task. Okay, the example 0, which is surprising. Okay, can you read
What
question number 1 for me?
what kind of word probably goes between and the result and
Yes, the
result?
and the results. Results.
Result.
Okay. What is uh, what word? What kind of word is this? This is
It's
a
an uh an example,
an a.
an adjective.
Yes, these are all adjectives. Okay, words sitting
Adjective.
between the article like the and a noun like results modify the noun or the adjective. Adjective modify the noun. Okay, how about question number 2? Can you read question number 2 for me?
What it does
Does
is
this
does
describe?
it describe how someone feels or what causes a feeling?
Okay, does it describe how someone feels or what causes a feeling? Does it
Uh,
describe how someone feels or what causes a feeling? What is your answer?
oh,
Someone feels, how someone feels, or what causes a feeling?
it's both.
Is it both? Are you sure?
It's what causes feeling.
Okay, look at this word, surprising. Okay, look at the example 0. Answer these questions, then do the exam task. Okay. Does it describe how someone feels or what causes the feelings? What is your answer? The answer is what
The answer
causes.
is what
Yes,
causes.
it describes what causes a feelings because the results themselves caused
It
the
describes
reaction. Cause the
reaction.
reaction. Yes.
This is a reaction.
Okay, how about number 3, Miranda? Question number 3. What suffix do we use for this? What suffix?
Mm.
Okay.
We just ing.
Yes, well done. Very good. Okay, how about number 4? If this suffix begin with a vowel, how does surprise change? Hmm?
Is
If
I
this
don't know.
suffix begin with a vowel,
I don't know.
hmm?
I don't know.
Okay, if this suffix begins with a vowel, how does surprise change? The answer is you will drop the final E in surprise.
Drop.
Yes, this. You will drop the final E at the end of surprise and you will going to add the suffix I and G.
ing.
Yes, to make it to form a character adjective which is what is this? Surprise. Surprising.
Surprising.
Yes. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
All right. Okay. One more. One more activity, then you can go, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So look at the exam task and answer this question. So the exam task is from the previous page here. Okay?
Right. Okay.
Okay, so number 1, who has written to you? Oops, sorry. So this is the exam task. Sorry, Miranda, for confusing you. Okay, so this is the exam task. So look at this. This is a part of an email from an English friend, Alex.
Wait. Tại sao lại trèo lên đây? Chưa, chưa. Thấy không?
Okay, Miranda. Hello.
Ít vào chửi với mẹ này. Hey, hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello
Hello.
again.
Hello, em hello đi, hello.
Hello again. Hello. Okay. Okay, so Miranda, who has written to you? Who has written to you?
Alex.
Yes. It's from an English friend, Alex. Very good. And what does this person want you to do? Okay, let's read the text. I'm lucky
Because I've got a good friend, it's very low since I'm little. I don't know what I do about them. So tell me how important a friend to you. Who's your best friend? Tell him who is his best friend and how important are friends to you.
Important. Okay.
Important of friends to you.
Since I was a kid, I don't know what I do without them. So tell me how important are friends to you? Who's your best friend and what do you like about him or her? Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, so going back to question number 2, what does this person want you to do? How Alex wants you to do? Alex wants you to write.
Alex wants you to write an email to him.
Yes, a reply email. Okay, so Alex wants you to write a reply to him. Okay, how about question number 3? What style is the extract from the email written in? Find examples of the following. Okay, example, I'm, got, because, okay, dash, which is this, okay, and tell me. Friendly expressions, tell me.
Tell me.
Okay, so let's go first for I'm. Where is the I'm? Where is the constructed form? I'm.
I don't know.
Here. I'm. Yes, I'm. How about got?
I've got.
I've got. Well done. Okay, how about because? Simple linking words. Because.
Looking word.
Hmm?
Looking forward.
Okay, so simple linking words. Example is because, or it can also be So.
It can also be so.
Yes,
So.
so.
Oh, because
Yes.
I've got. Because I've got.
Yes, because. But we are looking for simple linking words. Linking words. Okay, because and so.
So.
Okay, how about
So.
informal punctuation, which is dash?
What it does.
Yes, here.
Dash.
As you can see here, a dash. So this is an informal punctuation. Okay, last one. E, friendly expression. Tell me.
I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.
Mm-hmm. So,
So tell me.
yes, so tell me. And
Looking forward to hearing from you soon.
all right, Miranda. Okay, well done. Great job. Okay, so we will going to finish our lesson from here, Miranda, since we don't have much time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will see you again tomorrow. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
And please review suffix and prefix. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye, Miranda.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye bye.
bye.